Hey there, I'm Alex, your host at PicDigi. Get ready for our Christmas special. In the upcoming 3 videos, we'll review drones, action cams, and 360 cams for your holiday travels. Today, it's all about drone reviews. We'll explore the features and value of these drones to help you make the right choice. Check the description for product links and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. Let's dive in and discover the perfect drone for your holiday adventures. The TEEROK T18S GPS drone is a feature-packed gadget with GPS functionality, a 1080p camera, and user-friendly features. It weighs 250 grams and measures 10.6 by 10.6 by 4.3 inches. It has a 7.6V 1800 mAh LiPo battery that provides up to 20 minutes of flight time, and a control range of 500 meters. The drone uses a 2.4 GHz remote controller with a smartphone holder. Pros of the T18S include GPS features like Follow Me mode and Return to Home, enhancing convenience and security. The 1080p camera captures clear aerial footage with adjustable angles for versatile shots. Easy-to-use features like altitude hold and headless mode make it beginner-friendly. The flight time of up to 20 minutes is decent for capturing footage. Cons include the lack of advanced camera stabilization, resulting in minor shakes and vibrations in footage. The control range of 500 meters may be limiting for some users requiring a larger operating distance. It relies on a smartphone for advanced features, which may not suit those preferring a standalone remote controller. Additionally, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, requiring caution during flight. In conclusion, the TEEROK T18S GPS drone offers GPS functionality, a full HD camera, and user-friendly flight modes. It provides a decent flight time but lacks advanced camera stabilization and obstacle avoidance sensors. The control range may also be limiting. Nonetheless, it strikes a good balance between features and affordability, making it suitable for beginners and recreational users. The LUIDA 12 Pro Brushless Motor Drone has received rave reviews for its advanced features and impressive performance. With powerful brushless motors, it delivers enhanced power, higher speeds, and smoother flights. The high-definition camera captures breathtaking aerial footage with exceptional clarity. Users love the convenience and creativity offered by intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Gesture Control. However, specific features may vary by model, and flight time and control range could be limited. Managing flight time and having spare batteries is important. Overall, the LUIDA 12 Pro is a highly recommended drone for aerial photography enthusiasts, providing an enjoyable flying experience and stunning imagery from unique perspectives. The DJI Air 3 drone is lauded for its high-resolution camera, compact design, and intelligent flight modes. It captures stunning aerial footage and photos with exceptional clarity. However, its price point might deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the DJI Air 3 excels in image quality and flight performance, making it a top choice for aerial photography enthusiasts seeking impressive shots. Safety is a priority for the DJI Air 3. It is equipped with obstacle avoidance capabilities, utilizing sensors to detect and avoid obstacles during flight. This feature adds an extra layer of protection, reducing the risk of collisions or accidents. However, there are a couple of factors to consider. Some users have reported that the DJI Air 3 may struggle in strong winds due to its compact size. It is advisable to avoid flying in excessively windy conditions to maintain stability and control. Additionally, the price point of the DJI Air 3 might be a deterrent for budget-conscious consumers. While it offers exceptional features and performance, the cost may be higher compared to other drones in its class. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3 drone is highly recommended for aerial photography enthusiasts. Its high-resolution camera, compact design, and intelligent flight modes contribute to exceptional image quality and creative possibilities. Despite potential limitations in handling strong winds and a higher price point, the DJI Air 3 excels in image quality and flight performance, making it a top choice for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera is highly praised by aerial photography enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the 4K EIS camera, which ensures exceptional image quality and stability. the drone's GPS positioning system allows precise control and convenient return-to-home functionality. It also offers intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit, providing advanced capabilities for capturing creative shots. The drone is beginner-friendly, with features such as one-key takeoff, a landing, and altitude hold, making it accessible to pilots of all skill levels. However, it's important to note that the flight time is around 20 minutes, and the control range is up to 500 meters, which may be limiting for some users. Additionally, the drone's wind resistance might be affected in strong gusts. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE offers impressive camera quality and features, making it a solid choice for capturing stunning aerial shots. The SYMA YX500 Pro GPS drone with 4K camera is a popular choice among drone enthusiasts. The SYMA YX500 Pro is equipped with a 4K camera, allowing you to capture high-quality aerial footage. It features GPS positioning, enabling precise location tracking and ensuring stable flight control. With a control range of up to 500 meters, you can explore the skies with confidence. The drone also offers a flight time of around 25 minutes, providing ample time for aerial photography sessions. The 4K camera on the SYMA YX500 Pro delivers impressive image quality, allowing you to capture stunning footage with clarity. The GPS positioning feature ensures accurate flight control and enables the drone to return to its takeoff point with ease. Moreover, the drone's control range of up to 500 meters, the flight time of approximately 25 minutes is also commendable, providing sufficient time to capture the perfect shots. However, there are a few cons to consider. Some users have reported that the drone's video transmission range could be improved. Additionally, the drone's size and weight may make it less portable compared to smaller models. It's worth noting that wind resistance could be a challenge in stronger gusts, affecting stability and flight performance. In conclusion, the SYMA YX500 Pro GPS drone with 4K camera is a solid choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Its 4K camera delivers impressive image quality, and the GPS positioning ensures precise flight control. Despite some limitations in video transmission range, portability, and wind resistance, the SYMA YX500 Pro offers a valuable combination of features, flight time, and control range, making it an excellent option for capturing stunning aerial footage. We've reached the end of our Christmas special featuring the top 5 drone reviews. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in selecting the perfect drone for your adventures. But the excitement doesn't stop here. In our next video, we'll be diving into the world of action cams. Get ready to explore the best options for capturing your thrilling moments on the go. From stunning 4K footage to advanced image stabilization, we'll cover it all. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you won't miss our action cam review. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Get ready for some adrenaline-pumping action. Goodbye for now.